Okay, we're at the Encore Boston Harbor. This is room 2410, a signature suite. You walk in, it's pretty nice. Right by the door, you've got these lights for everything. I mean, you can turn all the lights on, all the lights off, whatever. Then we've got this here, that goes to the next room, I guess. A powder room, a half bath, little can over there. Nice little bathroom. You go down here and you get a nice living room, table, big TV, big windows. Then in here we've got a bedroom. The drapes, you can just open them with this thing. Nice bed. There we go, but shears too. Shears open. Oh yeah, there's 2 buttons for each of those shades. Nice TV in here. Stuff. More stuff. Oh, you can close that off. That's kind of nice. Giant tub / pool. I don't know. It's just a big tub. Shower too. That's cool. You got a shower and a tub and another can. And a nice bathroom. This is a nice room.